Over the past decade, the comic book genre has dominated the box office. And as such, countless actors have portrayed superheroes on the big screen. Actress Jurnee Smollett debuted as the DCEU's Black Canary back in Birds of Prey, and she'll also be getting a spin-off project on HBO Max. And Samuel L. Jackson's advice to Smollett about playing a superhero is so on brand. Samuel L. Jackson has been in the MCU since the very first movie, appearing as Nick Fury in Iron Man's credits scene. And while he hasn't worked within the DCEU, Jurnee Smollett asked the legendary actor for some advice with playing Black Canary. She shared Jackson's A+ advice during a conversation with THR, saying, "I remember calling him and being like, okay, so like, yo, what do I do? Is there a way in which I should approach this any differently than how I would approach any other character? I always do so much research of the world." And he said, "Baby, just go and piss on your territory." So I've been just so truly humbled by the response from the fans. Samuel L. Jackson is known for his unique sense of humor and potty mouth, so this advice is sure to delight his generations of fans out there. Rather than getting specific with the craft of bringing comic book stories to life, Jackson simply told Jurnee Smollett to feel confident and show off her talents. More specifically, to piss all over her role in Birds of Prey and beyond. And piss she did. Jurnee Smollett's hilarious anecdote about Samuel L. Jackson comes as the actress is promoting her new Netflix movie Spiderhead opposite Chris Hemsworth. Eventually the conversation turned to her role in the DC Extended Universe, which will be expanded with her developing spin-off movie for HBO Max. While she was careful not to reveal anything about said spin-off, Smollett is thrilled with how well received her Black Canary has been. Today's best HBO Max deals. Opens in new tab. HBO Max with ads. Opens in new tab. $9.99. /month. Opens in new tab. View, opens in new tab. HBO Max, opens in new tab. Opens in new tab. HBO Max ad-free. Opens in new tab. $14.99. /month. Opens in new tab. View, opens in new tab. HBO Max, opens in new tab. As previously mentioned, Samuel L. Jackson has been involved in the MCU for over 10 years, and his tenure as Nick Fury seemingly isn't ending anytime soon. He served as the connective tissue of the franchises in Phase 1, bringing the team together for the first Avengers movie. Since then he's appeared in a variety of roles over the last decade and change. Looking ahead, Jackson is expected to star in both Secret Invasion and The Marvels. As for Jurnee Smollett, the DCEU is far less crossover-heavy than its Marvel counterpart. So while she'll be getting a spin-off project as Black Canary, it's unclear if we'll ever see the character reunite with her fellow Birds of Prey. But if the HBO Max project does well, perhaps that'll renew Warner Brothers' interest in that franchise. Spiderhead is streaming now on Netflix, and the next DC movie hitting theaters is Black Adam on October 21st. In the meantime, check out the 2022 movie release dates to plan your next movie experience.